Hi everybody. So, it is December 5th, 7:16 p.m. and I have here 12 pounds of jalapenos. I have some big jars and a big old Smirnoff bottle. We are gonna make hot sauce. So the idea of this is that these are actually going to be Christmas gifts for my friends, and I've already made some successful batches of hot sauce, and then we're going to put them in, well, we'll see how many I get, but we'll put them in these jars and they will ferment for about, well, as long as they need to ferment, which I'm not sure what that will be, but then we will take them out and we'll puree them up with some garlic salt and some oil, and I'm gonna send them out as gifts. So there is one thing I want to mention to you guys really quick. Before you do any sort of fermenting or anything like that, I would recommend going to check out Joshua Weitzman's channel. He does a great video on fermentation and on how to make hot sauce. Check articles on the internet, do all sorts of things, but like I said, make sure you do your research because it is a very time-consuming process. But now, without further ado, let's get chopping. this is my progress so far. But I still have that bag and that bag. I think this is going to take a while. And here is the first 6 pounds of jalapenos. I'm going to do the rest of them tomorrow, but I'm glad that I have been saving up some jars because that's definitely going to help. So now here are the first 6 pounds sitting in their brine, ready to go. And then I've got this one that I'm going to do tomorrow, but it is now 10 o'clock at night, so it's time for bed. And there we are. All the peppers. Now I just need to add some salt water and let them ferment. I already have the ones from yesterday. I'm hoping though, as I said, is that even though these are fermenting a day later than these guys, hopefully they'll be ready around the same time.